Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is February 7th, 2022, and today was boring day, boring pre-market. Market open was also boring. We had maybe two stocks on watch. I know PTON actually had a move in the pre-market. PTON, I believe so. Yes, it did. It has a volume. So we were watching SAVE, SAVE. We were watching PTON, and I was also watching SEED, seed. So these are the four stocks, kind of very low market open. PTON and SAFE were pretty much on the watch list. Throughout the day, Mara popped, ANGH had a halt, CFVI, BKKT, NVCT. So those are the major stocks that I traded throughout the day. Total today I traded 7 stocks, and my PnL is definitely was variable right throughout the day, and I kind of made bulk of my money today towards the latter half of the day after lunch, when CFVI started moving and NVCT. So let's get into the recap. I'm going to start sharing my PnL for Thinkorswim. You see the 7 stocks I traded, and I'm up today over $181. So pretty decent day. Let's dive into the whole run in PnL for the day. So I did a snapshot from a trader view. Today, I'm trying out the trader view, see how I like it. We'll see how it goes. So a little bit something different, but today my PnL kind of looks like this. So if you're wondering what this chart looks like, so you see the little bottoming picks here below the $0. That's actually how much my PnL went for the day. So I was negative twice, right? I got to $45, $43. Then I got below zero again. So I think it hovered around $13, $15 in the negative. And then after 10:45, towards like lunchtime, I started recovering and went into the positive. So that's essentially how PnL looked throughout the day. And I ended the day with $181.21. And I traded total 7 stocks. BKKT, I'm up $54. CFVI, I'm up $51. Mara, I'm up $4.64. NVCT was the highest gainer for me, $83. I did give back some money on it. I was almost $100 over. I think I was almost $100 up on it. Peloton, nothing crazy, $10. And SAVE, down $25 on SAVE. Just want to kind of bring attention to SAVE. It's definitely the stock I couldn't read it today. It looked like it was going to move, but the moves were not it looked like it was going to move, right? And you get in on that volume pop, and as soon as you get in and get out, you kind of lose that spread plus the micro flash down. So I didn't have a good read on the stock, and it was just kind of upsetting a little bit, because it's definitely one of the decent movers for today, right? $25 stock. And what I've noticed is every time I got out on the flush downwards, it actually popped and it actually hit my profit targets in most of the time. So I'm glad I didn't get caught in some of the flushes that happened on SAFE throughout the day, but just overall $25 down on it. It's upsetting, but nothing that I can't deal with. BKKT, that was a stock that actually popped later in the day. It kind of started hovering, and the volume came in after 10:45, and that's where I traded it. So it wasn't a bad stock. It was definitely saw some momentum, so pops, opportunity for a bounce of a VWAP here that I took some trades. It wasn't nothing crazy, small share size. CFVI, that's a stock that I traded throughout the day. Also $50. It was up and down, up and down. The random pops were kind of interesting in that stock. All of a sudden, you could be sitting there, looks weak, and then it just kind of rolls over, right? Test that VWAP, and then pops through it with a large volume, and then comes down, right? So there was a lot of that today, and I noticed most of the stock actually they were very similar to CFVI. So Mara was also on the watch list. I actually had really high hopes for Mara because it's kind of larger priced, and I missed that initial pop into that 26, but then I was like, okay, it's a strong stock. It might pop more? So I was looking for those bull flag pattern setups, and it was just kind of recovering a little bit and then dropping, recovering and dropping, and it was very difficult stock to trade. That's why I'm only up $4 on it, so not a lot. NVCT, that was an interesting stock, and I want to also talk about NVCT. NVCT, the reason it was interesting is because after 10:45, it started ramping up, right? After 11:45 at 12 o'clock, it started just going. And what happened around this area here, around 12:30, it was tapping the halt level. It was tapping the halt level and waited for the halt level to move up, and then it kind of tapped that higher level. So that's what I was trading. I was trading that higher tap level. Was that maybe it was a CFVI. Never mind, it was probably CFVI. So NVCT. Yeah, I don't think that was a stock that actually was tapping the halt level. I think I got it confused with CFVI. I remember NVCT, this candle, I was fishing for that break of 10. It was 93.94, and look at this candle on 1 minute chart right here. This candle, it has almost a point range, right? That's insane. And I was watching the chart too. I saw that breakout. It was instantly from 10 to 10:30, and then it hovered there maybe for a second, and then it just flushed. That was a rough candle. I don't know if you had to be really quick, otherwise, you could have been down a point on that. And then on that stock being down a point, especially if I traded 250 shares, that's $250 down. So all my profits would have been gone. So I'm glad I ended the day before that candle. I kind of told myself, I actually ended around 1 o'clock, and then look, as soon as 107, I actually popped and moved. It was given a good setup, so I was upset. But I hit my daily number of trades. I don't want to go over that a lot. I have that threshold, and because last week was kind of dead, I have like 92, 98 trades. That's why I was like, okay, maybe I can go over 300 for a split second. But plus the momentum was there, so I was trying to capitalize on that. And but overall, pretty happy how the day ended. I think it's the highest day for February for me, and I do want to share my layout for February here. I don't know if you guys see it. Yeah, you see it, but it's kind of very cut out, right? Yeah. So I'm up $505 for February right now, and all my days are green. So I'm not going to be trading on Thursday, and we are off. Not we are off. Markets are closed on the 21st, so they're marked right here. So this color right here, that means I either have no trades or I didn't trade. And this color right here, it means it's a weekend or it's a holiday for market open. And a lighter gray, that means it's a previous month's date. So just kind of get you acquainted with and there's like a chart on the right side where you saw that 505. So that's kind of so far February for me. Last week I was up $323, and so far this week obviously is only one day. But anyway, it's still work in progress. I'll definitely be updating this and improving it. But it's kind of I'm after like the trader view type of view. So that's why I'm trying to see how trader view does things, and I just want to tailor it to myself. I don't like the way TraderView does certain things, so I want to do it my way a little bit. So anyway, that's a recap for today. $181. Pretty happy. Hope you guys did well today. Let me know in the comments if you're red or green, how you did, what stocks you traded, what do you think overall about the halts on ANGH today. It was like a 3-point range halt. What do you think overall of the market? I had my thought about this about this market, this current market condition, during the live stream in the early morning around 9:15. So if you want to know my opinion about market, just go rewatch that live recap I did today of February 7th. Anyway, take care, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.